I've just received a shipment from the US. There's some Tesla swag inside. Let's unbox this together. Welcome back to Investing in Daren. Click the subscribe button to stay updated to more videos like this. Tesla recently opened a merchandise store in Singapore. I've bought a few items from the store and I'll put a link to the unboxing video above. This t-shirt that I'm wearing also comes from the Tesla Singapore store. Because Tesla is new in Singapore, the store has a more limited selection. And we don't have all models here in Singapore yet. We only officially have the Model 3. So I went to the US store with a wider selection and let's find out what I bought inside. You can see that the box has been in a pretty rough shape. It's been through many different places. That's because I bought the merchandise from Tesla US, shipped it to my friend in Chicago, and she shipped it over to Singapore for me. So shout out and thank you to you, Leah, for helping me with this. Okay, open sesame. Let's see what's inside. First, we have a Tesla jacket. Let me unwrap this. The Tesla logo behind. And in the front, you can see the Tesla T. It's got two zippers on the sides, at the bottom of the sides. Some of you may be wondering, why do we need jackets in Singapore? We don't. This is more for traveling overseas in colder climates. Hopefully we get to go to Germany next month. So you can see in the inside, I got an S size. It is made in China. And I'll put it on to see how it looks. So there you have it. This is the men's Tesla jacket from the Tesla US store. Okay, it's pretty hot. I'm going to take this off right now. Next, we have a t-shirt. This is the Cybertruck Owl t-shirt. You see an owl in front. And behind, you'll see the Cybertruck. Simple and nice. I got the S size, which fits me pretty well. Now let's check out the last item. This is a model Roadster. It has been delayed from 2022 to 2023. So all we have right now is the toy. Let's unbox this. So you can see in the box, it's a 1:18 scale diecast. Let's open it up. So here it is. I'll bring it closer for the camera. You can see the back over here. It says Tesla. The wheels rotate with the steering wheel. So you see the steering yoke over here. You turn the yoke and the wheels move, like so. The doors open, so you can see the Roadster with both doors open. Here's a side profile view. And we'll turn it around. And closing it. I got the blue diecast Model 3 as well, the one with the white interior. And on that one, both the trunk and the front opens. On this Roadster, I believe you can open the back. I see something behind here. So there you go. And there's a spare accessory. I believe this is the glass for the sunroof. So you can see the back of the Roadster here, like that. And now let's attach this. So this is the Roadster with the sunroof attached. Here's a closer look. And you can bring it out like so. So there you have it, more items to add in my collection of Tesla swag. I'll put a link down to the Tesla US store in the description below. So when you go in the store, you can check out car accessories for all the different models, Model S, Model X, Model 3, Model Y. You can also look at men's apparel, women's apparel, kids apparel, and lifestyle gear like the Tesla Supercharger. They have umbrellas as well. So for those of you watching from Singapore or other countries, will you order Tesla swag from the US store? And if so, how will you ship it to your location? The Tesla US store doesn't provide international shipping, so you've got to find your own solution. Thank you for watching today's episode. If you like this video, please click the like button. Hit subscribe to stay updated to more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.